What would happen if the stock market crashed overnight? Would it lead to economic collapse, a wave of unemployment, and lost fortunes? Or could it set the stage for something entirely unexpected, maybe even transformative? If the stock market crashes overnight, everything could change in the blink of an eye. Your savings, investments, and even your job might be at risk. But is this the end of the financial world? Or could it spark a surprising new beginning? Let's find out. A stock market crash isn't just numbers falling on a screen. It's the financial heartbeat of the world, skipping out of rhythm. Think back to the Great Depression of 1929 or the financial crisis of 2008. Both caused widespread panic, bank failures, and massive job losses. But could a modern crash be even worse? In today's interconnected world, a market crash wouldn't just stay in one country. Globalization means that a crash on Wall Street could ripple through the London Stock Exchange, the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and beyond. Overnight, trillions in wealth could vanish, leaving governments, businesses, and individuals scrambling. For the average person, this could mean wiped out retirement accounts, plummeting home values, and disappearing job opportunities. Businesses might close their doors as access to credit dries up, and governments could step in with stimulus packages to keep the economy afloat. But here's the twist. History shows us that markets eventually recover. After every crash, there's a period of rebuilding. The 2008 crisis gave birth to stricter banking regulations, and the pandemic crash of 2020 led to innovation in remote work and healthcare. Could this crash inspire a new financial system? Imagine an economy where AI prevents over-leveraging, or blockchain technology ensures transparency in markets. Crises often push societies to adapt, and this could be a turning point. Of course, the aftermath of a crash depends on us, our choices, policies, and resilience. Will we unite to rebuild a fairer system? Or will fear and greed deepen economic divides? So, what do you think? Could you survive a world where the stock market crashes overnight? Or would it lead to an unexpected opportunity for a better future? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to What If Sketches for more thought-provoking scenarios. Until next time, stay curious.